Hello, Scrapbookers. I am Megan, and I am back today with a very fun and exciting haul video. So I think you all know I had my birthday a few weeks ago. Well, I think it was 2 weeks ago. And I decided to use some of my birthday money at the Crafty Maven getaway shop. So if you don't know, my bestie is Hannah, who owns the Crafty Maven Getaway, and I've been wanting to get a few kits, but just haven't had the money to do it. So when my birthday came, I was like, I know what I'm doing with this money. So I am going to pull everything out and show you what I got. I got quite a bit. It's stuck. Okay. Oh my God. Well, that was a little bit harder than it should have been. Okay, so first off, I got the Summer Breeze kit from June of 2025. I believe she still has maybe one or two in the shop, so I will leave a link down below in the description if you go in the description area. And yeah, I will send you down there. Sorry, it is like almost 10 o'clock. It is raining and sunny and all of the seasons today except for snow, which is kind of crazy that it didn't snow today, but it has been rainy and crazy wind and thunderstorms, so my brain is kind of like all over the place. But anyway, so the first thing that I'm super excited about is the June Summer Breeze kit. Like I said, check down in the description. Then I will kind of go through each one of these extra things that I bought, and then we'll kind of go from there. So first off, I have this 49 and Market Vintage Artistry Sunburst Spiral Notebook set. So one of them, I believe it's this bigger one, is 6 by 8.25, and then this smaller one is 5.325 by 5. So I kind of wanted to pull it out. I should have pulled everything out of the packages, but oh well, here we are. So I thought this was super cute, and Ashley and I went to Cancun about 2 years ago, and I've scrapbooked a little bit about it in the 12 by 12 size, but I haven't really done a lot lately, and so I thought that these two little booklets would be really cute to do like mini kits or a mini album with. So that was the first one, and then this is the second one. If I can turn the pages. I just thought it was perfect. We have so many pictures at the beach and just doing a lot of fun things in Cancun. So I really thought these two albums were perfect for scrapbooking photos from Cancun. So that was the first thing. Then we have the 49M Market Beach Vibes puffy stickers. Aren't they just perfect? I am so excited. Oh my God. So perfect. Then I think this was part of the June kit that I bought, but I'll just show you everything as it comes up. So this is Prima Surfboard Collection, and these are the chipboard stickers. Aren't they? This is so pretty. I love this. I'm just dying. And then this is the 49M Market Summer Stories Vintage Bits Rub-On Transfer Set. I cannot wait to scrapbook those photos. Then I got some texture paste from, this is Prima, and it is the color White Sand. I haven't even opened it, but look at that color. It's very white and pretty, which will be perfect for scrapbooking about Cancun, right? Perfect, perfect. Then I also picked up the Picture Perfect kit, and it has 8 12 by 12 papers, 2 sheets of every design, and a coordinating sticker sheet. So I'll go through all of these papers, and this is by Designs by Reminisce is the company, I guess. But I thought this was perfect for all those beach photos. We do have some photos of us sitting on the beach. Oh, look at that. I actually love that side even more. I am in love with that side. I might use both of that side. Then we've got this fun, colorful sheet. Ooh, I love that. That is a very crafty Meggy paper. But I like this side too. This would be fun to kind of cut all of these little pieces out and do like a border or something. That would be kind of cool. The cityscape. Ooh, I like that. Ooh, that is really pretty. This piece of paper is called Breathtaking. That is very much breathtaking. That is a fun paper. It's just a bunch of phones with, it looks like patterns from like the other papers. That is cool. And then we have the sticker sheet. That is so fun. Photobomb, perfection, love it. Weekend vibes, paradise, yes please. I love this, too glam to give a damn, love it. Awesome. So I'm excited about the paper collection and the stickers. And now I think the rest of this stuff is from the June kit, I believe. So if you buy the June kit, this is what you will get. She might have stuck a few extra things in here just because I'm her bestie and she tends to do that. So these are Doodlebug Design Ink Rainbow Hearts. I love those colors. Very, very pretty. That might have been just something she stuck in there. I'm not sure that that came in the June kit. But then we have Obed Marshall Especial Ephemera. And that is all of these pieces. Super fun. Love it. I love the bright like blue and reds and yellows and oranges, so pretty. Okay, this is the thing I was most excited about. So this is Prima Flowers, and I don't know that it has a collection on here. It's just made by Prima. Isn't that gorgeous? So, so pretty. This is not a toy. Keep out of reach of children 12 years and younger. Some fun burlap. I apologize if you can hear the wind outside the window. And then we've got, ooh, a fun little paper. That is really cool. I like that. It's got like texture and stuff on it. And then, let's see, she has all of this in a little baggie. I am super excited about these little stamps. I'm guessing that these are from Ranger or Tim Holtz. I'm not quite sure, but look at that. That will be so fun to use for mixed media. Then we've got some Dina Wakley Media Scribble Sticks, magenta and lemon. Super fun. Then we've got a yellow doily. And oh, look at that paper. That is super cool. I love that. Love it, love it. Then we've got, I think this is more, oh, this is Little Birdie. And these are handmade embellishments, I believe. Let's see. Yep, handmade flowers is what they are called. Very pretty. And then she's got a bunch of little papers. I want to say these are probably like 2x4s or 2x3s, something like that. Very fun. I love how she just sticks in these little pieces into the kits. Ooh, look at that. So pretty. I love that. Very, very pretty. Then we've got the story of today. Something wonderful. Beauty is everywhere, all mine, and I love it. These will be fun to put in like art journals and something like that. And then we've got another piece of paper, pink piece of paper, and then a nice little sheet. That looks like maybe 6x6. Then we also have some extra little goodies. Oh, I was so excited about these too. Okay, so these are Trinity Stamps embellishments. Those are cute, bright pink and orange. Cute, cute. Then we've also got this, I'm not sure what to call this, burlap lace something, but that's really pretty for like art journaling or junk journaling or something. I love it. And then these were the pieces that I was so excited about. Aren't they so pretty? I just love them. Oh my God, so pretty. Do. Love it. Yay. I am so excited. Ash and I were talking about our Cancun trip a few days ago, I think, with the kids. And I was like, I am so excited to start scrapbooking our photos again. You know, you get caught up in the current, and it was a couple years ago that Ash and I went, and so I'm excited. And I went in my stash and I found my photos from Cancun, so I am super excited. And actually, I think I might show you some of the photos. So I've been keeping printed photos in here that I print off. So I have a little Cancun. I don't know if you guys can actually see that it says Cancun on there. Cancun 24. But this was us at a restaurant when we first got to the airport in Salt Lake City. And these I all had printed at Shutterfly, it says on the back of them. Then this was us waiting at our gate. And then this is us as we landed. And then this was when we found the shuttle that we were looking for to get to our hotel. And then this is our hotel room. This was the weather when we got there. And then the view from our hotel room. We weren't on the beach side. And actually, I don't know. We were close to the beach, but I don't know that we were like, because we didn't pay the upgraded fee, and so we didn't get like the special package, so we weren't on the beach side, we were on the road side. but you can see, I don't know if you can see off in the distance there is like a little beach area over there. But this is actually right next to the road, and then there's, I'll see if I can find the map of where we stayed, because I think we stayed on the strip. So there's like, I'm trying to describe it and I can't describe it. So there's like the mainland, and then there's like a little strip that's like the hotel strip, and that's where we stayed, was on the hotel strip. But like we were facing the road, not the beach. And this was in our hotel after we got all checked in. And then this is us on the beach. Love the palm trees in the background, cactuses everywhere. And then I got a huge bug bite. I believe I just got bit by a mosquito or something, and it turned into like this huge thing, so I had to take a picture of that, right? And then this was on one of our excursions. We went on a horseback ride, and we looked at all of these different types of cenotes. So here's Ash on the horse, and then this is me on the horse right there. And riding in our shuttle that took us everywhere. And they had, like, all of these photos were taken by the people that did the excursion, and we just had to, I think we had to buy them or something. And I didn't even print off, we did a lot more than this, so I haven't even printed off all of the photos yet. There's this albino peacock there that liked us. And we found this little teeny tiny fish that got washed up. So these are just some of the photos. This was, I believe, the first night we were there. There was like a dance performance. And then this peacock or peafowl, whatever you call it, peahen, love to show off its stuff. So it was always out and following people and walking around. And then some photos of the dogs. This was all 4 of our dogs at the time we went. And Ellie actually stayed with the dogs. So yeah, and then this was before we actually went, the day before we went shooting. Well, Ashley went shooting. I just watched. But anyway, so that's like half of our trip. I think that's only like maybe 2 days of our trip, and I think we stayed for 4 or 5 days, 4 nights, 5 days, I believe. So that's exciting. I'm excited that I found those photos, because if I hadn't found them, I probably would have cried and then reprinted them. So now I just need to go back and print off all the rest. You know me, I take millions of photos, but it's all good. So anyway, oh, and last but not least, I almost forgot this, Deco Art Love Color 3D Jelly Drops. This is in Blueberry Drop. The color is blueberry, I guess. So that is fun, but I'm super excited about all of my new stuff, and I can't wait to use it. Cannot wait. Ah, look at it. It's just so pretty. Yay. Anyway, bye.